What's up guys, my name is Tom, welcome back to another episode of Five Nights At Freddy's 2. So yeah, I'm just going to open it up at the moment. Should be opening. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. So yeah, last time we got jump scared by the Freddy Fazbear. And I aim to do it this time. Oh wait, no, why have I got two open? I aim to actually complete it this time. Okay, I'm not quite sure what's happening. What's happened to my mouse? What's happening? Come on, dude, work. Oh no, why is this not working? Okay, I just quickly quit these then. If you're wondering why it's called Wine, it's because I'm using a program which opens exe files on a Mac. Because I can't be asked to play it on my PC. Here we go. Here we go. So yeah, oh no, I'm not watching. Wait, yeah, let's continue. Oh, I do not like this game, but I'm playing it anyway. Dun 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 dun. Wait. Okay, yeah guys, it took a little bit of time because it's a Windows application converted to my Mac. If you want to know how to convert these things, then watch my tutorial. So...
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear season. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first...
Later guys. Okay, I'm going to turn my volume down. Dude, I thought I just saw... Fazbear dude. What? Oh, Bonnie looks so creepy. Okay. I wish it didn't take this long. Okay guys, I really hope the lag issue's sorted out with this. You might have heard my thingy has been not really behaving recently. My screen recorder, I'm using QuickTime for it now. It just needs a little bit of time to settle in, alright? Anyway, yeah guys, I found out how your power drains even if you don't use anything. It's the fan, it's always moving, isn't it? There's nothing else that's always electric. Wait, there might be. Let's have a look. Nope. Nope. Man, where's that light from? Did I get the noise? Turn it down. Has this got anything in? Oh no, the main one. Come on! Chica doesn't really look creepy. She's just like, let's party! First one's pretty cool. Oh look, I've already used the flipping bar of power. What? But so yeah guys, I'm going to be playing this on iOS. It's easier on iOS. I much prefer it because I'm used to it and everything. Okay, I believe that they do not move until the music... Oh, that's not an iPad, is it? Don't even know why I'm checking them. Okay, music box should start though. Good. Cool, music box has finally started. So yeah, I'm gonna try and keep them out of the air vents because it's one of the creepiest things in my opinion when they just start coming over. Okay, Chica's still fine. They're all still fine. Nothing. I think Bonnie might have just moved slightly. Is that Chica gone? No? Wow, Chica's still there. What I want to know, guys, is where does Foxy hide? I'm pretty sure he hides in Parts and Services room. That's what my friend told me. But I cannot make that definite. I'm not amazing at this, guys, so you have to excuse me if I get killed by Bonnie or Chica on the first time. I completed it once without using any power. That's on iOS though. That was on my friend's iPad. Oh no, Bonnie's gone. Well, actually, you know what? Look, I'm not doing that. I attempted. What happened there? I attempted to look at it once and got totally creeped out, you know, because has Chica gone as well? Damn it! Oh no, it looks like Chica literally just left. I hate this game. Why did people ask for me to play this? You're torturing me, guys, making me play this. What happened there? Yeah, you're mean making me play this. No, you're not. It's cool, no one's there yet. Is there anyone in the air vents? Okay, guys, we're doing well. We're doing well. That's good. Freddy's still there. Freddy's the only person who is really a threat to us. Because he generally isn't exactly scared of the mask. We didn't need to check anywhere except for the music box room and occasionally just have a quick check on Freddy. And we need to check the vents. Nowhere else except for that. Oh, hi Bonnie. Oh no! Not Bonnie. I hate it when Bonnie's in the air vent. I've got to get him out of there. It's so creepy when he's in the air vent. Get out of there, dude. Oh no. Wait a sec. Why don't I just stick my mask up? Come on, dude. Oh no. Oh! Oh, why did you always get me? Oh, yeah, watch their faces. Watch them. I'll turn into endoskeletons in a sec. Quick flash. But guys, Five Nights at Freddy 3 trailer is out. We will be playing that very soon. I'm very excited about. Not sure I even want to play it though. So yeah, guys, I'll end it here. I'm going to do a night every episode, and if I do fail on all of them. But yeah, so guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Have a nice day.